Hello viewers, how to secure your Facebook and Google accounts? Did you know every single day thousands of Facebook and Google accounts get hacked, and the scary part is you might lose your personal photos, email and even bank details. But don't worry, today I will show you some simple and powerful tricks to secure your Facebook and Google accounts. Facebook security. First, enable two-factor authentications 2FA. This means even if hackers know your password, they still can't log in without the code sent to your phone. Next, turn on login alerts. Whenever someone tries to log in from a new device, you will get an instant notifications. And always use a strong password. Something like this: capital letter, small letter, husky, number, etc. like this. Don't keep password simple 1 2 3 4 like that. Part 2. Google account security. On Google, enable two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of security to your Gmail, YouTube and all Google service, and a recovery phone number and email. If I get locked out or hacked, you can easily recover your account. Finally, do a quick Google security checkup. Check where your accounts logged in and remove any unknown device immediately. And that's it. Just by making this small change, your Facebook and Google accounts will be much safer and hack-proof. So apply these steps right now and keep your online life secure. And don't forget to subscribe to Knowledge Tech for more tech and security tips. Thank you for watching my video.